Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down digital marketing KPIs that matter in a concise manner. By the end, you'll know which key performance indicators to focus on for effective marketing. Let's get started. Website traffic is the total number of visitors to your website, indicating overall digital presence effectiveness. For example, a blog might track monthly unique visitors to gauge interest. Conversion rate is the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, like making a purchase, showing how well your site turns visitors into customers. For instance, an e-commerce store might track the percentage of visitors who make a purchase. Click-through rate is the percentage of people who click on your ads or email links, indicating ad or email content effectiveness. For example, a fashion retailer might monitor the CTR of their promotional emails. Customer acquisition cost is the cost to acquire a new customer, reflecting marketing efficiency. For instance, a subscription service might track the total marketing spend divided by the number of new subscribers. Return on investment is the profitability of your campaigns, comparing revenue generated to campaign cost. For example, a tech company might analyze how much revenue was generated from a specific ad campaign versus its cost. Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who leave your site after viewing only one page, indicating site content engagement. For example, a news website might aim to reduce its bounce rate by improving article quality. Engagement rate includes interactions like likes, comments, shares, and follows on social media, showing content resonance with your audience. For example, a beauty brand might monitor the engagement rate of their Instagram posts. Email open rate is the percentage of recipients who open your emails, reflecting subject line effectiveness. For instance, a bookstore might aim to improve their email open rates by testing different subject lines. Lifetime value is the total revenue expected from a customer over their relationship with your business, indicating customer loyalty and long-term engagement. For example, a fitness club might track the LTV of their members. In summary, the key digital marketing KPIs to focus on include website traffic, conversion rate, click-through rate, customer acquisition cost, return on investment, bounce rate, engagement rate, email open rate, and lifetime value. Thanks for watching. I hope this clarified digital marketing KPIs that matter. Drop any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Stay ahead in the digital age.